Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, let's obviously open up settings. From here we're going to scroll down to backup and reset, and scroll down again, and we're looking for factory data reset right at the bottom. Once you tap on it, it will give you a message that this will remove things like your basically user data, downloaded apps, but more importantly, it removes things like your music, photos. So if there is anything of, well, any source that you'd like to keep from this device, then do back it up beforehand, because otherwise you will lose it permanently. Now, assuming you have already made a backup or you simply don't want to, then select reset phone. If you have some kind of screen protection, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, I do have a pattern. And once you confirm it, you can then select erase everything, and this will begin the process. Now, this will probably take a couple minutes, so just be patient, but once it's finished, you should then be presented with the Android setup screen. And I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.